The Dr. Oz Show January 8, 2015 schedule, back pain remedies and 10-day gluten elimination diet. Dr. Oz, January 8, 2014, gave 10-minute natural solutions to back pain and talked with Mark Hyman about gluten sensitivity and his 10-day gluten elimination diet. Oz says back pain is a problem that over 47 million Americans deal with on a daily basis. Peggy Brill comes on the show and explains that long-term relief involves stretching, strengthening, and stabilizing the back. People can have back pain from muscular problems and even joint problems. Strengthening the back takes time, and she says there are a few things anyone can do to get relief in as little as 10 minutes. 10-minute back pain solutions. Hot and cold rollers give back pain a double whammy by using heat to relax tense muscles and then applying cold to deaden the nerves around the problem area. Peggy says a cold roller should be used if a person doesn't have a lot of time, as it works on the pain better. Cold rollers reduce the swelling, limit the blood flow to stop future swelling, and help keep muscle spasms in check. Topical creams are great ways to get targeted relief to the back. Medicated creams deliver pain relief directly to the affected area. Peggy says these are better than oral pain medications because they place the solution where it is needed most. This is not a 10-minute solution because a person may need to use the cream for up to 2 weeks. Kinesio taping works by strategically placing tape strips around the affected area. The premise is that the tape will stretch the skin around the muscle and trigger the body's natural response to stabilize the area. Peggy says this treatment has been shown to work with chronic lower back pain and it's totally natural. Electrical nerve stimulation uses low-voltage electricity to deaden the area where the pain is present. Peggy and Oz say this is the treatment used when other methods fail. Oz says he had this done on his arm and it takes some getting used to, but it works. Oz ends by saying that all of the pain solutions are just temporary fixes. Long-term back pain relief may require other treatments, and exercising is a key in being pain-free. Gluten sensitivity. Dr. Mark Hyman comes to the show to talk about sensitivity to gluten. He opens by saying studies have shown that even a mild case of gluten sensitivity can shorten a person's life. If you feel tired, bloated, have headaches and joint pain, or brain fog, you may be sensitive to gluten. There are 2 degrees of gluten problems: celiac disease, where the body attacks gluten like it is an invader; gluten intolerance, where the body reacts and a person feel terrible. Oz says if a person has any of the symptoms above, it may be time to go gluten-free to see if that is the problem. Hyman says anyone can eliminate gluten for 10 days and their body will react. If a person feels better when gluten is out of their system, they have some type of gluten sensitivity. Hyman adds this does mean they will have to live a little differently, but a person can try adding certain favorite foods back into their diet and see if the body reacts. If there is no reaction, then you are okay to eat that food. The elimination plan works by eliminating wheat, barley, spelt, and oats, and is a total cold turkey elimination. Hyman warns gluten can be hiding in items like makeup, canned broths, toothpaste, and even multivitamins and prescription medications. He says make sure you look at all the labels of canned foods and other things you use daily. Getting rid of gluten totally is a key here, because even a tiny bit of gluten will keep the body inflamed and skew the results of the diet. After 10 days, if your symptoms have improved, you can be pretty certain that you are sensitive to gluten.